Hello everyone, and welcome to Explain the Charts. Today is March 20th, 2025, and we're taking a look at NZDUSD, discussing the recent news and how it correlates to the chart. Recent news indicates that the New Zealand economy has emerged from recession, but despite this positive news, the New Zealand dollar has been weakening. Geopolitical tensions and the Federal Reserve's monetary policy decisions are also exerting influence on the pair. Let's jump into the daily chart and see what it reveals. Looking at the daily chart, we can see a period of consolidation followed by a recent sharp decline, seemingly conflicting with the news of the recession ending. The price has recently fallen to around 0.599 after trading sideways for a few weeks. Let's zoom in on recent activity from December 2024 onward. Focusing on December 2024 onwards, we observed a period of upward movement, reaching highs of around 0.634 before starting the current downward trend. There was another period of upward movement in February. This suggests that even though the economy is doing better, other external factors are causing downward pressure on the NZDUSD pair. To get a clearer picture, let's switch to the 1-hour chart and examine more recent price action. We can see a more detailed picture of the recent decline, with several attempts at recovery being quickly sold off. This downward trend may continue for the short term. Zooming in on the last week, we are around the 0.604 price level after a large dip near the beginning of the week, but the price didn't recover. Let's look at an even shorter time frame to get a clearer picture by looking at the 15-minute chart. This shows prices bouncing around, but not going anywhere specific. Now, let's look at the 15-minute chart for an even more granular view of recent price movements. On the 15-minute chart, we observe a choppy, indecisive price action, suggesting a lack of clear direction in the very short term. For the short term, I think prices may slightly decrease. Prices may increase if inflation is brought under control by the Fed, but that seems unlikely. In summary, the key price levels to watch are resistance around 0.61, a potential support level in the 0.59 zone, and continued bearish pressure in the short term. Geopolitical events and Fed decisions will likely drive volatility. If the NZDUSD is able to break above 0.61, then I'd say the likelihood of upward price action to 0.62 is 60%. Otherwise, downwards to 0.58 is a 70% likelihood, and if it goes further, then to 0.57 is a 50% likelihood. Keep an eye on upcoming economic data releases and central bank announcements, as these will provide further clues about the future direction of NZDUSD. Thanks for watching and happy trading!